Balanced diet is eating variety of foods from different food groups in a right amount so that our body function properly. Children, did you understand? Okay, the balanced diet is divided into 5 groups. What is the first one? Go foods. What is the first one? Go foods. What is the second one is the grow foods. Second one is the grow foods. Third one is the grow foods. And fourth one is the water. Fifth one is the roughage. So what are go foods? Go foods are rich in carbohydrates and fats. They give the energy to work the play. Children, everybody like to play?
Yes, teacher.
For that what we need? We need the energy to play, right? So you people are, everybody is writing, reading, no? So what you need? You need the energy. So what foods you have to have every day? You have to have the go foods. What are the go foods? Are the examples? Potato. Children, everybody like potato curry?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the second one is the rice. What is the second one?
Rice.
Every day you are eating rice, right?
Yes, teacher.
So what do you use of eating rice and potato? They give us carbohydrates. So what is the help of the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates give the energy to work and play. What is the second one? Grow food. What is the second one?
Grow foods.
Grow foods are rich in proteins. Grow foods are rich in proteins. They give, what is the use of the proteins? They help to grow our body. They help us to grow our body. And also protective. They are the protective foods. They are the protective foods. So what is the third one? Examples of the grow foods are the milk. If you drink milk every day, what will happen? You will grow, right? And egg. Any beans. All beans contains proteins. Okay now? So third one is the glow foods. What are the glow foods? Glow foods are the contains rich in vitamins and minerals. Glow foods contains rich in vitamins and minerals. They protect us from the diseases. They protect us our body from the diseases. Okay now? So they are called protective foods. They are called the protective foods. What are the protective foods? Glow foods are called the protective foods. Can you tell me the examples? Do you like the fruits?
Mango.
Okay, mango. Now the mango season, right? Everybody like the mango. Next, what do you like?
Apple.
Okay, apple. I like kiwi. Okay, apple. So all these are called the glow foods. Examples are the glow foods. So what is the fourth one? Water. So everybody, every day we have to have the 6 to 8 glasses of water. Why we have to have the water? If not having the water, what will happen? Our food will not digest in the stomach. So that we will get a stomach ache. Okay now? So that we have to have the water every day. How many glasses of water we have to have?
6
to 8 glasses of water compulsory we have to have the water. What is the second one? Last one? Roughage. What is the last one?
Roughage.
What is the roughage means? It is the salad. Roughage is nothing but salad. Mixing of all the vegetables, fruits and vegetables, so that we can, when we have the salad, our bowel system will be work properly, function properly. Okay, the children. So did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
What is the balanced diet? Balanced diet is nothing but having the all the ingredients, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Everything we have to have it daily. Okay, na? So what is the first one? Go foods. Go foods contain carbohydrates. What the content? Go foods contain
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates and one more is there. What is that?
Fats.
Fats. Okay, na? What is the grow foods? Grow foods contains proteins. Go foods contains
Protein.
yes. What is the use of the proteins? To build our body. To build our
Body.
So they are called the body builders. Okay. Grow foods. Grow foods contains vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and
Minerals.
So that every day what we have to have every day, we have to have carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Water 6 to 8 glasses of water and salads. Okay, na? Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, children, shall we show? I will show the what are the carbohydrates, what are the vitamins, what are the proteins, water, and everything. Can you all come of you and I will show practically, lively. Come all of you. So here, what are these? What is this? This is the carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates, fats, in which category we come? Go-foods. What are these? Go-foods. What is this? Rice. This is the without cooked rice. This is the with cooked rice. What is this?
Potato.
What is this? All these are comes under the carbohydrates. Okay, na? So what is the last one? Is the fats. What is the fats contain? Oil. What is this one? Groundnut and badam. So coconut. Everything will get the fats. Good fats for our body. Okay, na? What is the second one we discussed? Grow foods. What is the second one?
Grow foods.
What are the grow foods? Why we have to have the grow foods? It will give the proteins to our body, to grow our body. So what are the examples, children? What is this, ma?
Egg.
What is this? Rajma. So all these are the beans. Okay, na? This is the kabuli chana. This is the and rajma. What is this?
Milk.
So everybody, every day, you have to have the all these items. Okay, na? So what is this one? Water. How many glasses of water we have to have?
6 to 8 glasses.
Very good. What is this one? This is the glow foods. Glow foods contain vitamins and the minerals. Why we have to have the vitamins and the minerals? They will protect from diseases. What the function? So what is this one? Water. How many glasses of water we have to have?
6 to 8 glasses.
Very good. What is this one? This is the glow foods. Glow foods contain vitamins and the minerals. Why we have to have the vitamins and the minerals? They will protect from diseases. What the function of the vitamins and the minerals? They protect us from the diseases. Okay, na? They keeps us healthy. What are the some examples of the fruits of the? What is this?
Orange.
What is this?
Apple.
What is this? Tomatoes also we have to have. Okay, na? It contains rich in vitamin C. Okay, so and this is the guava. What is this one?
Watermelon.
Beetroot, carrot. Every day we have to have. So what is the roughly? It is the mixing of all the fruits and vegetables so that we can make the our body system properly. Children, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Did you have every day all the items in your food?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So how much of percentage of the we have to have with the vitamins and the minerals? 30% of our food we have to have in the vitamins and minerals. Okay, na, children. So proteins is the 25%. What is the percentage of the proteins we have to have every day? 25%. So fats and this one also, how much we have to have? 20%. And remaining is the roughage and salads. Okay, na? So water also we have to have. Okay, na, children?
Yes, teacher.
So did everybody eat every day like this?
Yes, teacher.
So did you understand about the balanced diet?
Yes, teacher.
What is the first one? Go foods. Go foods contains carbohydrates and fats. What is the second one? Grow foods. Grow foods contains proteins and the proteins. Okay, na? What is the third one? Grow foods. Grow foods contains vitamins and the minerals. This is the water and this is the rubbish. Okay, na? Okay, bye.